সকল ছাত্রকে শুভ বিজয়ের শুভেচ্ছা এবং ভালোবাসা জানিয়ে আজকের ক্লাস শুরু করছি। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। সো লেট আস স্টার্ট ইন্টিগ্রেশন বাই পার্টস। What is integration by part? This is integral of product of two functions. Product of two functions. So one function is f1x, another is f2x dx. f1x, that is, we have considered this function as first function and this function as second function. So the rule to integrate this type of product is f1x into integral of f2x dx minus integration derivative of first function, then integral of second function and the whole integral. Let me write the formula in words, because I believe that the formula can be remembered in word form. Integral of product. Product means product of two functions is equals to first function into integral of second function, then minus integral of third bracket derivative of first function, that is f1, into integral of second function, that is f2. So what you have to do? you have to write first function, then into integral of second function, then minus integral of what? Integral of the product of derivative of first function and derivative and integral of second function. You have to take the product, then you have to take its integral. This is the formula. Now you have to know the rule of choosing first function, that is, given two functions, which one we will consider the first function. So choice of first function. This is done by the rule Eilert. Like electrochemical series, I stands for inverse circular function. For example, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, etc. L stands for logarithmic function. For example, ln x, ln of 1 plus x, etc. A stands for algebraic function. Polynomial, etc. T stands for trigonometric function. For example, sin x, cos x, tan x, etc. Sin 2x, cos 6x, etc. E stands for exponential function. what is the rule? Suppose we have integration x sin x dx. This is one function, this is another function. One function is x, another function is sin x. Let us study their nature. X is algebraic function and sin x is trigonometric function. Algebraic stands before t, so you have to choose x as first function. As a stands before t, that's why I have to take x as first function and sin x as second function. There is another thought behind this. If you choose x as second function, then you have to do its integral, and when you integrate x, its exponent rises, that is increases. So the integral becomes more difficult. And that is also a reason for choosing x as first function. So you have to know this rule for choosing first function. Let me do some examples. Number 1, integration x sin 3x. Look, here x is algebraic function, sin 3x is trigonometric function. So we have to choose x as first function and sin 3x as second function. So let me do the formula. What is the formula? First function into integral of second function minus integral of second bracket derivative of first function into integral of second function and the whole integral. Now, what is integral of sin 3x? This is minus 1 by 3 cos 3x. So we can write minus x by 3 cos 3x, then minus integral second bracket dx of x is 1 and sin 3x, its integral is minus 1/3 cos 3x second bracket closed dx. The next step, minus x by 3 cos 3x, this is plus 1 by 3 integration cos 3x dx. So this will be minus x by 3 cos 3x. Integral of cos 3x is positive, 1/3 sin 3x, so this will be 1 by 9 sin 3x plus. This is your final answer. Next, number 2, integration x square x dx. Look, algebraic trigonometric, a stands before t. That's why you have to choose x as first function. X integration x square x dx minus integration derivative of first function integral of second function and the whole integral. What is integral of x square x? We know it is tan x. So this will be x tan x minus integration dx of x is 1. This is tan x over dx. X tan x minus integral of tan x is ln sec x. Or you can write it as x tan x plus ln of cos x plus. This is also okay. You can write in this form also. Look, if we consider the reverse. That is, if we consider sec square x as first function and x as second function, then what happens? Let me see what happens. Sec square x is your first function, then integral of second function minus integration dx of sec square x, integral of second function whole integral. Its integral is x square by 2, so we can write x square by 2 sec square x minus integration. This is 2 sec x into sec x tan x, so sec square x tan x into x square by 2 whole dx. X square by 2 sec square x minus 2 integration or 2 cancel x square integration sec square x tan x dx. Look, initially the integral is in this form. Now it becomes more complicated. That's why we are choosing x as first function and sec square as second function. After doing a few problems, you can understand it well. Let me do some more problems. Next, number 3, integration x ln x dx. Look, this is algebraic, this is logarithmic. I let L stands before A, so we have to choose ln x as first function and this as second function. Look, L stands before A, so you have to choose logarithmic function as first function and the algebraic function as second function. So let me proceed. Ln x integration x dx minus integration second bracket derivative of first function, that is ln x, integral of second function, that is x dx, and the whole integral. Now integration x dx is x square by 2, that is x square by 2 ln x minus integral dx of ln x is 1 by x, this is x square by 2 dx, x square by 2 ln x minus half integration x dx, because x square by x is x square by 2 ln x minus x square by 2, that is 1 by 4 x square. Now you can write the answer in this form: x square by 4 2 ln x minus 1 plus c, or we can write it as x square by 4 ln of x square by e plus 1 is ln e, ln of x square minus ln e, so we can write in this form also. Next, number 4, integration x sin square x dx. Look, this is algebraic, this is trigonometric. Algebraic, trigonometric. Algebraic occurs before t, so here x will be taken as first function. X integration sin square x dx minus integration dx of first function integration sin square x dx dx. Okay. Now, what is integral of sin square x? We have to shift it to multiple angle. So we have to write in this way: x by 2 integration 2 sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x dx minus integration dx of x is 1, and here we have to write half integration 1 minus cos 2x dx and whole integral. This will be x by 2 x minus half sin 2x minus integration half lies outside second bracket 1 is x half sin 2x then dx. Now this becomes x square by 2 minus x by 4 sin 2x minus half into x is x square by 2. This will be plus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus c. Let me arrange this. This is x square by 2, this is x square by 4. So they become x square by 4 minus x by 4 minus 1 by 8. You can choose minus 1 by 8. So under inside will be 2x sin 2x minus cos 2x. No, plus cos 2x. Plus cos 2x plus. This is your answer. X square by 4 minus x by 4 sin 2x minus 1 by 8 cos 2x plus. Next. Number 5. X square sin x dx. Look, algebraic trigonometric if occurs before t, so here x square will be your first function. X square integration sin x dx minus integration dx of first function, integral of second function, and the whole integral. Integral of sin x is minus cos x, so this will be minus x square cos x minus integration dx of x square is 2x, and this is minus cos x then dx. X square cos x, this is plus 2 integration x cos x dx minus x square cos x plus 2. Again by parts. So this will be x integration cos x dx minus integration dx of first function is x, integral of second function, whole integral, and the third bracket will be closed here. Minus x square cos x plus 2. This is sin x. So x sin x minus integration, this is 1. This is sin x dx, third bracket closed. So minus x square cos x plus 2 into x sin x. Integral of sin x is minus cos x, so plus cos x plus c. You can write it as, there is 2 minus x square cos x plus 2x sin x plus c. This is your answer. problem. Integration x e to the power x dx. Look, this is algebraic, this is exponential. A occurs before e, so algebraic will be taken as first function. X integration e to the power x dx minus integration derivative of first function integral of second function. This is e to the power x, so this will be x e to the power x minus integration dx of x is 1, this is e to the power x dx. X e to the power x, e to the power x integral is e to the power x plus c. So you can write the answer as this. This is your answer. Let me go to the next problem before taking the first break. X square into the power x. Here also x square will be taken as first function. X square integral e to the power x dx minus integral second bracket derivative of first function integral of second function. This is e to the power x. Derivative of x square is 2x. This is e to the power x dx. X square e to the power x minus 2 integration x e to the power x dx. Again by parts. X square e to the power x minus 2 here third bracket x as first function minus integral second bracket dx of first function integral of second function third bracket closed. X square e to the power x minus 2 third bracket e to the power x integral this is 1 this is e to the power x dx. X square e to the power x minus 2 e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. You can write the answer as x square minus 2x plus 2 e to the power x plus. This is your answer. Okay. So let me have a short break. After the break, I am coming with more problems. Till then, be there.